All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So just wanted to show you the final result on Steve's IS 500. So just wanted to walk you through all the detail and the fabrication. So this is leather which matches the actual leather of the interior of the vehicle. And so what we did is we went with this theme with the red, black, red. There's carbon fiber in here. You kind of have to look. There's actual carbon fiber behind the Showtime logos. And then everything else is done in this suede. We went with this two-tone contrast, right? So the bottom is suede in order so that you can still technically use it. Because if you make it out of leather, it's really difficult to put something on there because you could scratch it, scar it, do something to it, right? So by it being suede, it's still, somewhat functional, right? So first thing is, if you can see, we debossed the logo. So we actually machined this down. Now, we talk about saw. We don't have a CNC, so we have to make it work. I mean, if we had a CNC, this would be super easy, but because we don't, we have to kind of do a workaround, but we still get the same effect. So this is actually debossed. So in other words, instead of coming out of the panel, it's sunk into the panel, right? If you look at it, so it's pretty straightforward, but the nice thing is everything in this trunk is held together with magnets. So you can pull out the entire trunk without a single tool. So the nice thing is the client wanted a place to store stuff. So you got this, and just take a look at this panel. Now this panel we'll show you in a little bit, but it has lighting, LEDs, it glows, and see the carbon fiber? So that's real carbon fiber. And then everything is held on with magnets, but if you look at it, even the back of the panels is finished. There's also a connector for the wires for the LEDs. So then once all you do is you just pop it back on there, and bam, and then the lighting will work. We'll show you that in a minute. So this is the grill which hides the woofers. So also all on magnets. So in order to put it back in, literally just snaps back into place, right? We did press grills on all, to match the logos. And again, just a black acrylic. If you can see, it's red, black, the mesh, and then this is an actual Lexus badge, the same one that the car comes with on the trunk. Also, this piece, they only make it for an IS 350. We remade it so that it says IS 500. We modified this entire piece and then laser etched the Lexus and the IS 500. We actually modified because the originals are a little small and they only light up white. We wanted this to go with the whole trunk, so we made it bigger, and then it's multicolored. It's chasing, it does everything that the rest of the trunk does. So as you can see, the lights can do the RGB chasing, in other words, they cycle, and they're actually hidden behind this acrylic. So when it's off, it looks like there's nothing there, including that piece and any of the pieces. So the way we did that is LED strip behind some smoked acrylic, but when it's off, you can't tell. So we wanted some lighting, but we didn't want it to just stand out, right? So we wanted it to kind of blend in and look as if it could have came with the car. Okay, so you can remove the floor. And again, the bottom is finished. So all the panels are in essence finished. So you remove this, these pieces pop out. Also magnets and finished on the back. So that piece removes. How long did that take, right? So the entire trunk is basically broken down, not a single tool, right? So literally I can break the entire trunk down, no tools. And as you can see, these are all the magnets. This is all the hardware. All these pieces are actually bolted to factory locations. So nothing's been modified. So if the client ever wanted to, we can literally put this all back to stock. Now, I'm actually gonna reinstall everything, okay? So we're gonna start with this bad boy. The nice thing is, because of the magnets, check this out. So because of the magnets, it's all self-aligning. Oh, actually, here, let me show you one other cool thing. So the client actually wanted to be able to get the spare out. That's no small feat, especially because the spare dents into this rear cavity. So what we had to do, we made this panel removable. So now you can get the spare out. And then when you're done, that piece literally magnets right back in. So again, zero tools, right? So what did that take me? A minute? 2 minutes? I'm not sure. We'll do the math, right? We'll figure it out, but. All right, so as you can see, now not only does this change the trunk lights, but it also changes the interior ambient. So like I can do white, I can do yellow, pink, green, red. I can do a custom mode.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.